data on Diomine DH Auditor. So right now I finished with geochemistry. I'm gonna open cartography. In cartography, I'll display my Google base map, and it should be loading. And here I will import my new Excel file from geochemistry. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that the mapping is well done. I'm gonna increase the size of points and import. These are my data. And now what's the next process? The next process is to categorize lithology using this option. I just did double click on my layer, and this is Herron litho. No, I'm not gonna use Herron litho because my project, I know that it's dominated by intrusive and volcanic rocks, so I'm gonna use zirconium, titanium, and okay. And here I generate classes, and I'm gonna come and set this ratio again, and I'm gonna change colors based on lithology defined. First, volcanite, I'm gonna put it into pink. Intermediate rocks, I'm gonna put it in indigo. And mafic intrusive, I'm gonna put it in dark green. Mafic volcanite, I'm gonna put it in blue, sky blue, and I'm gonna apply, and that's okay. You will see on my screen the output of this. Okay, and based on that, you're gonna do your interpretation. This is just an exercise, it's not an accurate data. So right now you can see this area is dominated by intermediate rocks. So intermediate, it can be, it can be the granodiorite or diorite and so on, but it will depend on your project and visual observation. Your visual observation will be used to define something accurate here. Okay, and now I'm gonna create shape files and digitize my lithology. Let's come here on this tool plus create manual vector layer, and I will choose my vector geometry polygons. I'm gonna click OK and call it litho XRF. Validate, and now I'm gonna start my digitization. Digitize Polygon Pro, and I press OK right here. I just need to zoom. Okay, I'm gonna start my digitization. Digitize. So that will be correlates with using your field observation. Sorry guys. Oops. Okay. this is the way we need to do. So okay, you're gonna do it like that. Finish. I'm gonna call it maybe granular direct. And then I'll right here. When digitizing, you got a free hand. This is mafic intrusion or Gabro if I want. This is snapping tool. You can untick or tick snapping tool right here. Basic vulcanite. I'm gonna digitize basic vulcanite here. I'm gonna do it, call it basic vulcanites. Okay, vulcanites is good, and now I'm gonna categorize my lithology category. Now I'm gonna use maybe name, and I'll see what happen. Okay, it's fine. Let's put your name again. Now here, basic vulcanite, I'm gonna put it in pink. Gabro, ground direct, I'm gonna put it in red. And apply. Let's see now. Yeah, this is my lithology.